Hey, imagine, men are wicked oh. Some people they are designed to be heartless. They will never even appreciate what they have, not until they now finally lose it. But we cannot even blame them, because sometimes God is always there to deliver person from their hand. It's only the person where God loves so much that him go free from their hand. You go never believe. Abeg make I no talk too much. I forget una greet una how una dey do my people, how the things dey go. You go never believe wetin happen. Say Funke Akindele's ex-husband come out, no get shame, come dey talk say him go do anything for this world. Him go Jupiter, go Pluto, go Saturn, even go to Mars sef, go make sure say him get him wife back. Abeg let me ask am, who be him wife? I don't know if na Jennifer him dey refer to, because I no think so. I no think say na Jennifer him dey refer to. Na Funke Akindele he come dey talk say he go get him wife back no matter what. Who be the wife? Who be the husband? I don't even know. Maybe it's let me ask am, because the thing wey they say sef, him dey vex me, him dey make my blood to dey boil. You can imagine wetin the man dey say, where he dey after he don break up, he don make Funke Akindele heart to break. He can't come back saying go do anything make him wife come back. The thing wey happen between them, him be say even if not for God who intervene, if you do you know if we for the hear the name of Funke Akindele here and there, we for no hear am, because na only God sef deliver Funke Akindele for him hand. If not so, Funke Akindele may not even be popular. She may not even have name where she get today. She may not even have the reputation where she get today. See, my people, even when Funke Akindele's first marriage with Kehinde, when he crashed, it was very, very obvious that it took toll on her. It was very, very hard on her. And this actress mentioned that her ex-husband abused her and that he even cheated on her. Imagine. It is not that time that everything wey he did for the past of the ex-husband, na him dey come dey hunt Funke Akindele. Who wan stay for that kind of marriage? Who wan stay there? Who wan say you want to have endurance? And go even punish that endurance. We wan make somebody stay for inside problem, inside trouble. After he come dey abuse am, he dey maltreat am, he dey cheat am. You no know those kind of time wey you now come back say you wan collect who? Even me sef no go support am. Say Funke Akindele go where? To one nonsense person. In fact, Funke Akindele said that it was so bad that he moved out of their matrimonial house. Which guy go get brain, go get head, they live in matrimonial house, go meet another woman. Imagine. Now the interesting part of it is that a particular time like that, this is the ex-husband wey we dey talk about, who be Kehinde, was said to have come the nooks and crannies of Ikorodu to locate Funke's dad. Imagine, what for? Wetin dey look for Funke's dad for? He don search everywhere, dey look for Funke's father's house. Imagine. He come said that he go do anything to win his wife back after how many years, when he gave Funke Akindele trauma. If not for the person wey Funke later marry, where Funke for dey, maybe she go don get concept, or she go get trauma, emotional trauma, even mental trauma sef today wey we dey talk so. Now he come talk say one of the things Funke tell am was that she respected him, but he took it for granted. Imagine, guy wey no get brain, wey no get sense. He say Funke Akindele come talk say I respected him to the end, but he chose to treat me that way. He chose to maltreat me. He said he wanted to clip my wings. Hey, imagine one stupid man go come say he wan clip my wings say make I no fly. Now God go punish all those kind people. Those people wey say dem go clip person wing, no let person progress. Even the agenda wey God get for the person, he no go make all those agenda come to fulfillment. I don't know wetin I go talk to that kind person. Now a lot of things were very very obvious. They were obviously wrong in that their marriage wey in dey visible. For Funke Akindele, in dey think say because they don't get married, they don't vow say for better for worse till death do them apart. Na so Funke Akindele dey endure, not knowing say she dey endure sotey no knowing say the person wey he marry na total animal, because any man wey dey do that kind thing for woman, the man be animal, him be person wey no get heart, wey no get the mind of God. Now Funke come talk say na later say he come dey know say Kehinde was expelled, which be the ex-husband. They don expel am from the University of Jos where he dey. Immediately where he get admission inside the university, the day after they do matriculation for the student of that university. Now he come say they say dem talk say him get fault, say in admission get fault from the beginning, that since he was now sent out he didn't bother going back to school. When he now returned to Jos where he came from, he reported found strength in his entrepreneurial skill coupled with influence and support of his mother, a market leader and a successful businesswoman. He say na even the mother dey boost him morale. Na say he can't dey do anyhow. The person wey no get brain for head, wey no get hand work for hand, him dey do all this kind thing. Imagine. With this, he became an estate developer, building chains of shops in Oshodi market. Moving on from there, Kehinde reportedly crept into politics, and his popularity soared that he became a well-known grassroots politician and a great mobilizer. When he was at this, he began a relationship with Funke, who had become monstrously popular with her movie Jennifer and the Square. The return of Jennifer was also able to convince her to lead him to the leader of the Action Congress of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, whom he had assaulted many years ago during the market women leadership tussle between his mother, Alhaji Al-Maruf, and the late Iyaloja General Alhaja Abibat Mogaji. From the reports that we heard, say it seems more like their marriage was a business transaction and not one based on love and friendship. Imagine that kind of a thing. Say it make man get mind, say he won't use the love wey the lady get for am to do business. So now because of business, na him this Kehinde wey be ex-husband of Funke, now because of business, now he can't take marry Funke Akindele. Say Funke Akindele dey influential and he don't do so many bad things in the past. He don't abuse Ahmed Tinubu, so he can't marry Funke Akindele to correct all those past mistakes. Imagine, to correct them. Now God save Funke. If not, you won't believe that after they got divorced. That was in 2013. When they divorced each other. Now so Funke Akindele get so many achievements. He get award. Now in 2013, he gets the best actress leading role, the best actress indigenous. That was so in the Nollywood Movies Award. In that is Miami where he do. Now in 2014 Nigerian Entertainment Awards, best actress leading role in Agneta Onampa. Now he get in Magic 2014 Africa Magic Viewers Choice Award, best actress comedy. The return of Sherry Coco, na she collect am. Aloy Awards, brand ambassador of the year, na she collect am. 2016 Africa Magic Viewers Choice Award, best actress in comedy role, na she collect am. Nigeria Entertainment Awards, best actress series, Jennifer Zari, na she collect am. Even Naija FM Awards, wey be radio, sitcom of the year, business actress in comedy, na she collect am. And so many make I no even mention but a few, my dear people. Now so after the marriage, after dem break up dem scatter dem tuka down. Na so Funke Akindele collect all this so many awards. Even the present husband wey he born twins for, na him. You know, it's better if somebody marry person wey no go clip person wings, no go let the person soar like eagle. Na so him dey for Funke Akindele presently. Na so him wings dey fly. Him dey fly like eagle. See many awards wey he collect, and many progress wey she make for the last from since 2013 wey dem scatter, when she meet the present husband wey she marry. Now she don make so many progress, so many achievements. My dear people, make I no talk too much. I no even wan read the comment because people dey vex for this one. Say if God sef should come down from heaven, he no fit see Funke Akindele to collect. Say Funke Akindele sef, he no fit go back to that man wey treat am bad, wey maltreat am, wey do am bashu, wey do am shuba. Say no possible, it can never possible. Even if you go to the Jupiter, go all the 9 continents wey we get, all the 7 continents wey we get, say e no possible for Funke Akindele to return to that person wey treat am bad. My people, make I no talk too much. Make you subscribe to our channel for more news wey you go get, wey go suit your body. Make you subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell wey dey beside am.
Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this